In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable hardware acceleration in Chrome. If you've ever noticed Chrome feeling slow, glitchy, or not performing the way you expect, adjusting the hardware acceleration setting can sometimes help. Hardware acceleration allows Chrome to use your computer's graphics hardware to improve performance. On some devices, this can make browsing smoother, especially when watching videos, using web apps, or opening graphics-heavy pages. On other systems, though, it may cause lag, display issues, or instability. So in this tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find this setting and how to turn it on or off. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots to open the main menu. This menu gives you access to many of Chrome's tools and settings. From that menu, click Settings. This will open the Chrome settings page, where you can customize how the browser works. Depending on your version of Chrome, the layout may look slightly different, but the option you need will still be there. Next, click Advanced to expand more settings. This section contains additional options that aren't always shown right away. Expanding it will reveal deeper browser controls, including performance-related settings. After that, click System. This section is where Chrome manages settings related to background processes, performance behavior, and how it interacts with your device's hardware. Now look for the option called Use Hardware Acceleration when available. This is the setting you need. To enable hardware acceleration, make sure the toggle is turned on. To disable it, switch the toggle off. Just choose the setting that matches what you want to do. Keep in mind that changing this option won't fully take effect until Chrome restarts. So once you've toggled the setting on or off, click Relaunch. Chrome will close and reopen automatically, applying the new setting right away. If you have important tabs open, it's a good idea to save your work first, just in case. And that's it. You've successfully enabled or disabled hardware acceleration in Chrome. If you were troubleshooting a performance or display issue, test Chrome again after it relaunches to see if the change helped. Sometimes turning this setting off resolves visual problems, while turning it on can improve speed and responsiveness. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.